Hi everyone, welcome to this week's video. In this video today, I'm going to be packing for a trip to Italy. My husband and I are celebrating our 5-year wedding anniversary, so it's just a really special trip for us, and I of course am going to be bringing you along with us. I am going to be making so many memories, and I want to capture it all on camera if possible. I've never been to Italy before, so this is so exciting for my husband and I. I have some tips for you and just some things that I like to do whenever I travel. One being, I always try my outfits on before I pack them. That way I don't miss any undergarments like strapless bras, shoes, things like that. I just like to make sure that I try it on as I'm gonna wear it so that I don't forget anything. In this video, I am also going to be sharing a very girly day in New York City because I am celebrating my 28th birthday this weekend. I am gonna go to Broadway for the first time. I have never been to Broadway. That's going to be later in the day, but I'm also going to be doing lots of girly shopping. I have never been to the Ralph Lauren store in New York City, so I really want to go there. And of course, like the LoveShackFancy store on Madison Avenue. Lots of girly stores coming your way. I just love walking into stores and just window shopping and just getting outfit ideas. That is one of my biggest things I love doing whenever I go to New York City, is just to get inspired. So that is what I have for you in this video today. Don't forget to subscribe if you love feminine fashion content, romantic style. Be sure to like this video as well if you enjoy this style of content, and let's just get right into packing for Italy. So I think what I'm going to do is just try on each outfit that I have for the day. I also have some dinner outfit ideas in mind as well, and then over here I've just kind of started packing a couple things, like a couple face masks, electricity converters. I'm bringing this perfume, shampoo, body wash, face wash, things like that. I am just bringing one set of earrings with me, and it's these. I've been wearing these non-stop and I just love them, so I'm just going to bring that as far as jewelry. So first up, this is what I'm going to be wearing on the plane. This is a just very easygoing white tank top and wide leg linen trousers, and then I'm just going to be having my easy slip-on shoes. Both of these pieces can be easily styled with other items that I'm bringing, so I just wanted to keep it nice and neutral and just very easygoing. The one thing I'm thinking about with this is that maybe I should bring a cardigan with me just in case. I just thought of that. For our first day in Italy, I'm going to be wearing this dress. I bought this dress for my birthday, and I know it looks like such a simple piece, but just wait till you see this on because it is absolutely stunning, and it's a timeless piece. Like, this is just something that will forever be in my wardrobe. It's from a brand called Alana, and it's handmade in England. It's absolutely gorgeous. Love the tagline for this brand because it says, "For all the girls with their heads in the clouds." So this is the dress on, and this is the dress that I plan to wear for our first day in Italy, which is going to be more so exploring the streets of Florence. We're going to be in coffee shops, exploring stores. There's a perfume store that I want to go into. Isn't this dress the most gorgeous silhouette? I mean, the fabric is absolutely beautiful. I mean, I don't have to worry about what I wear underneath it because it is a thicker material. In the back, it has this really pretty dip where you have this like gorgeous statement in the back, and it's just so romantic and feminine, and I love how you can get a really nice snug waist with a bow in the back. And then these are how the shoes look with the dress, and I feel like it's just the perfect romantic Italian outfit. And then if everything goes as planned and I can fit this somehow into my luggage, I will be able to style this bag with it. If it's not this bag, it is going to be my crossbody bag right here. We'll see how it ends up working out. And then one of the things that some of you mentioned in my previous video with my Italian outfits is that I should definitely bring a red lip just in case I want to transition, say, a dress like this into more of an evening look. So I'm going to bring this red lip with me. I've actually had this for a while, and I think that I actually discovered this because of your recommendations, and it just has a really pretty, like, darker red. For day 2 in Italy, I'm going to be wearing this dress. This is a dress from my NUULY rentals. It is by the brand LoveShackFancy, which is one of my all-time favorite brands. I just love this really sweet pink color. The main reason that I am bringing this dress, though, is that it is so comfortable, and it is one of those pieces that really does not wrinkle. First thing in the morning on our 3rd day in Italy, we are going to be doing anniversary pictures with a photographer that I just booked through a program called FLYTOGRAPHER. I can leave it linked down below if you ever want to do like a vacation photo shoot or like an anniversary photo shoot or something. I really wanted to make sure that I have an outfit that really reflected my style and that really looks like it fits in Italy. So I decided that I'm going to bring this dress with me. This is a dress that I thrifted a little while ago, and it's just absolutely beautiful. It has this really pretty embroidery on it. It's just stunning, and I feel like the silhouette of this dress is just beautiful in pictures and in real life. I can also use this dress for a nice dinner as well. And then after pictures, I'm going to be changing into this dress. This is one that was definitely voted on the most that I should definitely bring with me to Italy. In my previous video, I am definitely gonna bring this with me. This is just a really comfortable dress. I can wear this off the shoulder. It's just in a really pretty, gorgeous linen material, and it has this really pretty puff sleeve. Those are all the outfits that I'm bringing to Italy, but we do actually have one full day in Portugal on our way back from Italy. So I wanted to have a really fun, colorful dress to wear in Portugal for the day, and I'm gonna bring this dress with me. This is one that I've been wearing non-stop here in Cape May, New Jersey, and I just keep on getting endless compliments on it. It is such an easy dress. It's like the type of fabric that's really easy to pack too. I mean, it will wrinkle a little bit, but it's just really easy and light, and it doesn't look bad if it has a little bit of a wrinkle to it. This dress, I also don't have to worry about a bra with it, since I mean, it doesn't have a built-in bra with it, but it does, you do get that support with the straps. So I've been hearing so much about this lavender latte at this specific coffee shop, so I wanted to give it a try, and then I just picked up a chocolate croissant. So good. I have drinking almost all of it, but next up we have tea at Lady Mendl's. After that we're going to do some shopping. So next up we have tea, and then it's off to LoveShackFancy. The tea pairing, so we're going to have a tea paired with each of the courses. So this is the first course, and it is chilled watermelon soup. That was definitely one of my favorite places that I've done everything tea. I would definitely recommend it. Did you enjoy it?
Yeah, it was really good. Had a good time.
Alright, so now we are off to LoveShackFancy on Madison Avenue, and then Ralph Lauren. stuff on really quick because I have been wanting to try some of these things on. So first up, I've got this dress on. I actually don't really like the shape of it on me because I feel like up here I kind of need like something a little bit more snug, but it is really comfortable. When it comes to LoveShackFancy, I am all about the maxi lengths, but I do want to like kind of give the mini lengths a chance every now and then, but the length is actually fine. It's just more so the shape, I feel like. I love this skirt. So this is actually one that I was looking at online, and they have it in like this blue print, and then they also have one in this really pretty soft pink. So I feel like now that I've tried the blue on, this is in the size small. I love how it fits. Like I just really like that nice high waist so that I can wear with like any of my white crop tops. I just styled it with this one because I didn't have, obviously I wore a dress here, so I kind of had to style it with the top. I actually kind of like this top, although I feel like it's sitting on me a little bit off, but I have other type of like nicely fitted white crop tops that would look really pretty with a skirt like this, and I just like to have one for like the spring summer season because I love high-waisted skirts like this. So, and even styled with my bag, I feel like it's such a French chic look, but very girly. And I love this slit on the top too. So I am definitely going to be keeping an eye out for this skirt because this is the type of skirt that I'm looking for. I love that. So this skirt is definitely what I want to save up for my next LoveShackFancy piece because I just feel like it's such a good staple and I will definitely wear it in the summer, especially since I've been investing in so many like white crop tops and things like that. So I definitely will be looking up for this one next, but probably the pink.